All right, we are in Mikey Beach and we're looking for a cheap seafood restaurant by the beach. Ganda naman ang ano rito, mga decor. So if you eat in the hotel, it's more expensive, but you can always find the cheaper place. You just have to walk a little bit more and you can find cheaper places like what we're doing right now. Oh, look at this place. Nice atmosphere, and I'm sure the food is not that expensive. Okay, so their menu has lots of in it. They have also fish. Anyway, it's pretty good because it's very cheap. All right, thank you so much, huh? And you have the beach in front. Average food is about 100,000 dong, so that's very cheap if you compare eating in the hotel. That's the name, Wee Wee Beach Coffee. That's the name of the restaurant, by the beach. And if you don't want to walk in the beach, you can use their boardwalk, but you don't see the beach. This is what you see. Lots of restaurants like Seafoods on my right. Yes, one of the restaurants. And in front is the beach. So that's the street. And Berna says this is very famous seafoods restaurant called Muy Bien Seafoods. Oy, muy bien. Okay, let's go closer and check the available live seafoods. Hindi kaya mahal dito, Berna? Di bali mahal, kain na lang tayo. Uy, look at that, oh. Ano to? Mahal yan. Oh, mahal to. Alaskan lobster. Mahal yung Alaskan lobster na yan. Oh, look at them. Oh, look, oh. Wow. 2.4 million for 2 kilos. Oh, look at this. This is what do you call this? Huh?
Gedup, Canada.
Canada, from Canada. Oh, wow. 2 million per kilo. Oh, wow. Saltfish. Oh, wow. Everything's alive. Unbelievable. Yeah. Everything alive, huh? Lobster. Oh, also the lobsters are alive. Oh. Wala kayang mura dito? Ha? Ay, ito. This one is cheaper. 750,000 lang per kilo. Oh, yan. May mura naman pala. Okay. So, meron ding mura. Oh. Oh, that's a big one, ha? Okay. Ito, mura to. This is a kingfish, right? What is this? Oh, mantis shrimp. Oh, okay. Ang dami naman pala rito. Oh, that one is cheap, ha? Only 290,000. Huh? Yeah, okay na sa akin yan, tilapia. 1 kilo. Yeah, that's good for me. Oh. This is 1 kilo, how much?
1 kilo of 900 1 kilo.
Oh, this is Korean.
Korean, yeah.
Oh, Korean oysters, huh? Oh, okay.
1 kilo about 3.
Wow, mahal pala ng Korean lobsters. Okay, dito na lang ako sa mura. Ito na yung cheapest, 290,000 per kilo. Ito na yung pinakamura. Basta buhay, red tilapia, okay na ako dyan. Oh, red tilapia. Sige, bahala na kayo mag-usap kung anong luto. Bakit ayaw niya yung steam? Steam no good?
Fried with sweet and sour sauce.
Okay.
Steam not good because the smell is not good.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Okay, I believe you. Okay. So 290,000 per kilo.
200 190,000 dong per kilo. So
Yeah, but
and one piece about 1 kg.
oh, 1 kg. Okay. Okay. Okay, dito pala, lahat buhay ha. Lahat ng kakainin mo, buhay. Kailangan kulin nga yung malaki. Yung tag 1 kilo. Oh. Ito, mga mahal masyado. Pag may bisita akong mayaman, ililibre ako dito. Pag nilibre ako, ito ordering ko. Ayan. Ha? Yan ang ordering ko. Pagka nilibre ako ng mga anak ko. Nga lang, 2 kilos, 2.5 million BND. Mahal. High-end pala tong restaurant na to. Galing talaga ni Madam Berna maganap ng restaurant by the beach. Okay, sabi ni Berna, sa labas daw kami. Tama nga naman, outside. With ambience, kasi nga naman by the beach, kahit tilapia lang. Oh yes. Kahit tilapia lang, kasi yan ang ating ambience, Mama Berna. Yan ang ating ambience, by the beach. Oh, look at that. Nice. Ganda pala itong area to. Itong Maike Beach. May resemblance ng parang ka nasa Hawaii. Yes. Ganyan na ganyan ang ambience. Okay. Smile, Mama Berna. Okay, cheers now, Mama Berna. Berna, mamaya na yung cellphone mo. Cheers na. Okay. Alright. Anong in-order mo na yan? Okay, soup yan ha. Mukhang masarap. Oh, wow. Anong klaseng, vegetables mo ka masarap?
Kangkong.
Kangkong, wow. Looks good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, wow. The fish looks good. 1 kilo ng tilapia imbis na steam fish. Kasi may amoy daw pagka steam fish. So, alright, pwede na yan. By the beach of Maike. Yes, here in Danang. Malapit na mag-sunset, Mama Berna. Okay. Ayan, si Pagoda. While having dinner. Kitang-kita siya dito from the restaurant. Okay, so I would suggest if you want to go to Danang, you try Muy Bien Live Seafoods. Thank you for watching.